Okay, once your test is built, you can make edits to that test anytime and as many edits as you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Go down to the control panel on Course Tools, click Test Surveys and Pools on the tests, and I'm going to edit this rock and roll music test. You can do just about anything you want to this test as long as you have not already deployed it for the students and they've already started submitting it to the Grade Center. Once students do start submitting their tests, you're very limited in the number of edits that you can make. You can reorder the questions and you can make typographical fixes in your test, but you should not add or delete any questions from the test or change any of the point values in the test, because that will just mess up all of the students' results who have already submitted to the Grade Center. So in this test, I'm going to make 2 or 3 edits here. For example, I've noticed that in this jumbled sentence question, I only left it as a point value of 1, but there are 10 variables in that. So I'm going to upgrade that to a 10-point question and submit that. Also, let's see, I noticed that I misspelled Gene Simmons' name, so I'm going to edit that as well. You have to wait till this kind of a question fully loads before you can do that. Gene Simmons does in fact have 2 M's in his name. Submit that change. And there was one more. It was this one, the Pink Floyd albums. There's 7 albums there. I'm going to make that a 7-point question. Submit that. And now I can see that my test is up to 39 points. It'd be awfully nice if I could make that into an even 40. So I'm going to change this essay question from 4 points to 5 points. And that should do it. Now I've got a 40-point question with 40-point test with 10 questions in it. And you can continue to reorder these questions. You just drag and drop, just much like you would do on any content area, and that will replace the questions in the order that you've given them. Although if you've checked off when you set up the test to randomize the order of the questions, it really doesn't matter what order you have them in your template of the test. So those are the basic ways that you edit a test. And remember, once the test is deployed and the students start working on it and submitting it to the Grade Center, you should not be making any changes to that test that would affect the calculation of the final score. Thank you.